Welcome back to another video, guys. The plan for today is to fish a neighborhood pond right there. The water's looking kind of muddy right now and it's been raining this week, but it's a hot summer day, so I think these fish will still bite, regardless. The last time I fished this pond was about a month ago, so I have no idea what these fish are gonna bite. So I'm gonna try and throw a little bit of everything, see whatever they bite on. Let's go. Oh, yes, no way. Oh. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, no way. Oh, did that just happen? What? How did that just happen? Oh, oh, wow. Oh, I'm so shocked. What? Look at that thing. Wow. Woo. The thing destroyed it. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Right there. Oh, yes. See ya. Oh, how sick was that? All right, my plan is to just keep throwing where there's shade, just like that. And the fish are bound to eat. Oh, yep, got one. Oh, yeah. It's another nice one. Oh, calm down, calm down. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Oh. Hey, calm down, bud. Hey, bud, calm down. That's my second fish right there on the swim bait. Crazy stuff. All right, see you, bud. Sick. This thing is a fish magnet, I'm telling you. Wow. Put it right there. Let it sink. All right, while we're waiting for it to sink, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's catch some more fish. Oh, look. Hey, what's up, Mr. Turtle? Look at him go. Yeah. Woo! Mr. Turtle's fast. All right, so things are going great with the swim bait right now, but I feel like I can cover much more water by throwing a jig. So, gonna throw this thing. Gonna give this a try. I've never tossed it before, but I'm gonna try and catch my first jig fish today, you know? It's worth a shot. All right, so nothing bit on the jig. I'm gonna see what else I could throw. Maybe, yeah. How about this? Maybe just a crankbait without a trailer, so it's nice and light. Yeah, let's give it a try. Oh, no! Had a fish come up and eat it right there. That's sick. All right, I'm gonna throw this. I'm just gonna keep throwing this thing. That was a nice fish too. Was not small at all. Oh, are you serious? He hit twice. And he keeps missing it. Gonna toss this thing around. Never really caught a fish on it. Got 10 bites, but you know, maybe today is the day. got him. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh, that was crazy. Yes. Woo. Oh. Oh. He choked it. Look at that. Oh. Whew. Oh. Calm down, bud. Yes, I knew it would work. That's why I put it on. All right, that's what I missed 2 times. Yes, finally. All right, thanks for biting, man. See you. Woo! Wow, 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 wow. Can't believe that just happened. Woo! So, so happy. Okay, I'm finished for today. That was an amazing, amazing, amazing day. That could not have gone any better at all. Oh, wow. That was a pretty good fishing trip. A recap of what happened today. I caught 2 fish on the trout swim bait, and then I finally caught my first fish on this little soft plastic here. It's quite big actually, but it's my first fish I caught on it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching today, and as always, remember, fish for the adventure.